Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome to Tea Time Tuesday. And today I want to make a fun collage spread with you guys on these two little tea bags, little pages. So if you haven't seen my playlist on starting this little journal, I will post it right here in the right hand corner for you guys so you can come check it out after this video. And yeah. So what I want to do today is just play with some of this stuff here. And the majority is bee. I got some bee stuff that I did. And I just did this one. I showed how to do it in a short video. So you guys can go watch that short up in my videos. And yeah, let's see. So I got the bee fabric. And then I have just some words and some ephemera here, and just some clippings from like newspapers, just some fun just words, which are always great to play with, and just some coloring paper, some other just words out of a book. So let's see. And this is a lemon bag, and I thought it would be kind of cute to maybe cut. It had lemons in it. So I think it'd be cute to cut a piece off and maybe put it behind. And then just some lace. Again, some pretty napkins, which I'm not sure which one I want to use, but I want to use probably the yellow. I think it would look nice with everything. So we'll see. All right, so let's get started here. Let's see what I use in here. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out your little tea journals here and crafting along with me. I didn't get my tea because I had tea earlier, so get your tea out and let's cozy up and make a fun little tea journal here. All right, so what I want to start with is, let's just start gluing stuff down. Okay. I've been saving this and I never know what you're going to use stuff for, and then I'm like, well, I think it'll look cute in here. I just got my Scotch Create glue stick. Okay. So just adding a little interest back here. Okay, and also I think I want to throw in, we're going to have to use a little, it's water and glue. It's 50-50. And I just use the Elmer's, but it's just a PVA glue with water. And this will be part of the napkin that we can glue down here. But I'm going to get that glued and see how it looks. So just make sure you get down just to the one ply here. I'm going to do the bee. Oh, and I put parchment paper back behind so it won't seep through to the other pages. So I just folded up some parchment paper and put it back here, so it shouldn't seep through, and yeah, it should work out. Okay, let's see. So I just take just an old paintbrush here, and dab a little down. I think I'm gonna put it on top of here. It should come through. So I'm just doing a little play around. See what happens. You never know. This is the fun part of creating. Kind of got a plan in my head, but you never know how it's going to come out until you do it. So just get out your stuff and start gluing some stuff down. See what we come up with. All right, so there we go. I think that's cute. How much fun is that? And it shouldn't seep through. I got enough layers happening. Okay. So there we go. I ripped his little wing off, but that should be okay. I could just glue it down. Yeah, so I've been having fun doing this little journal with you guys. I would love to hear in the comments what your favorite part is out of the pages we've been working on. And if you haven't seen it, like I said, I'll have it up in the right-hand corner up there to come check out the playlist. And yeah, I'm just having fun with the Tea Time Tuesdays here. All kinds of fun things to play with. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and dry this real quick with my heat gun, and I'll be right back. All right, so I just realized that I was on a time lapse, and I didn't do that on purpose. I forgot to turn it back to video after I dried all this, so I will just walk you through real quick. This is a die cut flower from my Cricut machine that I have, and I was showing that this is a die cut too from my Cricut, and it just cuts it all out for me. And I found this little piece on my desk, and I was saying that you could just grab anything from your desk and incorporate it into your fun little collage. But this has been sitting here, and it's just a little pretty that I used. And I did vintage photo on it, is what I've been using throughout. It's the distressed oxide. And I did that, and then I did this little metallic paint marker. And it's just from my, the Dollar General, and it's just a store right down the street for me. And it's Art Skills Crafter Closet is what it says. And it's a fun little paint pen. It's just a paint marker, it says. So that's everything I've done. And then I threaded my needle with just some embroidery thread here. And got my little bee piece of material. And I was going to show you guys that it'd be fun just to do just a little bit of stitching. Nothing serious, you know, just kind of just in and out. You could do a running stitch like this, just in and out. So just for a little interest sewing on it. Or you could take it over to your sewing machine too and just do, you know, some fun stitching. But I think this just kind of adds a little bit of interest, you know. So yeah. So we are definitely having a rainy day here in Oregon. It is just coming down. We got some sunny days coming up though, which is nice. I mean, we're gonna be like in the 80s, you know. 80, I think it's like 89 or something like that coming up in a couple days. But it's still too cold. It's gonna be too cold to swim. Our pool is not ready. I mean, it's ready like with the chlorine and everything in it, but it is cold because it still gets down to like, we got what, 41 the other night. So, I mean, it gets down kind of cold, and that's what the temperature will go to on the water. So there we go. So I got that. Just a little interest sewing. Doesn't have to be anything too intricate, you know. And why not? Why not? Okay. And what I want to do is just take it and I'm going to glue it just here on the side. And I'm using my art glitter glue. Fabrifix would be good for this too, or Fabri-Tac. Any of those. I probably should use that, but that's okay. I just grab what's closest to me. So there we go. So you got a little fun little bees right here hanging out. Okay. And we can add a little bit of words. I think I want to do that again. So I'm just getting it into the crease. And just kind of smash it in there. Make it do what you want it to do. All right. Okay, so now I want to add a little pocket here. And this is just some leftover collage that I was doing with some eco prints. Okay. So I got that, and I want to take this. I'm gonna pop it up here for a nice little corner tuck. Okay. All right. So there we go. I think we have a fun little page happening here. I think it turned out really cute. I mean, yeah. And I have some fun stuff we could put in the pockets. I'll just save all the other stuff for another collage another day. So I just got some vellum here. Just stick some stuff down. And papers and stuff to play with. So there we go. Tuck that in there. Look at that. It's so much fun. Oh, that's upside down. And just some fun little papers to put in here. Here, I'll go like that. See the flowers hanging down. So all I had, oh, I have this cute little flower here. So there we go. We got ourselves a little collage spread with some pockets, a little pocket and a upper tuck up there, a little corner tuck. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And please, if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.